Here we go. This is happening. Woo! Oh my God. What is up, you guys? My name is Castro. We are here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom on the Medusa, the biggest ride here at the park. If you can't already tell, this isn't your ordinary video, but right now I'm coming to you from a 360-degree VR camera for an exclusive look at the Medusa from this awesome 360-degree perspective. So not only can you look at me, but you can look all around us. We got Gus back here in the back. What is up, Gus? It feels like I'm just riding with you guys. This is pretty crazy. So like, I've never done a 360 video and I am a big roller coaster junkie, so I'm super hyped for this. And you guys will get to experience the Medusa alongside me. Hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are strapped in because here we go. Oh boy, oh my God. Here we go, we're very high up. Oh boy, no hands, no hands. Woo! Oh my God. Hopefully you guys are still there. Having a great time here. Oh my God. The front row here is so terrifying. I feel like my feet are about to hit the ramp. All right. Hope you guys had a great time. We're not done yet. Woo! Yeah! Hopefully you smiled for the photo. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! I'm so dead. Woo! Woo! That's crazy. I've been on the Medusa so many times, but getting the front row experience, especially with you guys, is probably the craziest thing. Hopefully you guys are still there. But special shout out to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom for this awesome opportunity. Thank you guys so much. This is crazy. I'm a big Six Flags junkie, so this is hopefully something that will look really cool. All right. I'm so dead. Hooray. Congrats, you did it.